Hi and welcome to the channel. I am at the beach. I'm going to be going to a few small beaches and maybe I'll end up at Santa Monica, who knows. I'm just cruising along the coast. This beach is pretty rough. The water's coming up over the berm. They've got some great spots to detect. It's mostly underwater. I stopped at Will Rogers State Beach. Like I said, look at these cuts. I can't even get down there. Hopefully the tide goes out. I'm heading towards Santa Monica, but a little surface fine here. Got Penny washed up. Crazy today. First nice day after the 3 days of storming here. Chirp here. It's like pinpointer mode. So we'll see if we can find out whatever is making that noise. We'll take a couple of scoops out. Still down there. High number, but it's probably gonna be garbage. Whoa. I really got to keep around the waves today. All right, let me set that down and get a few digs in here. Probably just wasting my time, but oops, I think I hit something. Oh, yeah. Never let me down. Those high numbers that get jumpy on me. I got a tent stake. Very cool. All right, I found me a pistol and a shovel. Cool, squirt gun. I got another one that's on the surface. These waves really kicking everything up. A dime. All right, I just picked up this off the beach. You know how much Christine likes her eggs. And then I got a signal right here. $20s. Could be a dime, maybe. That's my first guess. Let's see if I got it. Yep. Nope. There it is. Kicked it up. They're not very deep right now. That storm was crazy. I watched them waves, they almost got me. Getting a low 20s here. See if I got it or not. Yep, it's in the scoop. Oh, what is that? A lid. Go figure. I'm gonna work that walkway a little bit, but I got another signal. So I'm getting targets. I was going for a while up the last beach. I wasn't getting nothing. Got that one. I see it. Another dime. Some wood over there floating around. Got another signal along this walkway. Chance starts a penny. Hope for something good this morning. Ah. All right, well, that's not good. But it goes to the trash. All right, it took me a while, but I got my first piece of jewelry. Kept falling through the scoop. I can't really call it jewelry, I guess, but it is something. Not really sure. Almost like a bear paw, but could be a paw of some type. There you go. I got something. 17 on the Knox. Nice 30 here. Been a while since I got a target, so I figured I'd turn the camera on. See if I got it. Yep. I think so. Got another target there maybe, but could just be interference or something. Ooh. Thought I had a quarter, but guess what? Billy's got his first dollar of the year. Nice. Yeah, I'm risking a little bit over here, getting stuck by the waves, but I had a 30 right here, and I just pulled this up. Not really sure what it is yet. Hold on a second. Looks like an R maybe on that side. Cool, nice pendant. Yay, number 2 for something different. I'll clean it up and get a better look at it so I don't get wet here. I got this little berm I can jump on, but it almost got me a couple times. I'm backing up when I detect. I'm not putting my back to the waves. All right, I just ran out there and got a target right there, and it looks like a looks like a flattened penny maybe. It's all corroded, so I don't know if I can clean it up or not, or see it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll see if I can get a cleanup job on this one. It's pretty corroded. Ooh, she just about got it over there. The baby, no less. Wow. Definitely gotta stay on your toes. There's pretty good targets out here, but don't really want to get soaked. I'm wearing pants today. So I figured everything got pushed over this direction. I just had another target right here. It's kind of dark in here. I got this. It's bigger than a quarter, so it's either a token, maybe, or a dollar. Can't really tell. I'm guessing a dollar maybe. I'll clean it up, but pretty cool. I am still dancing with the waves over here. A lot of quarters. I think I got 3 or 4 of them out there. I just dug up a spoon. That's in pretty bad shape. I just got another flattened penny right out there. Better shape, so still can't quite make it out. That's 2 flattened pennies out here. I think everything got pushed up towards the pier because I'm finding so many targets. Lots of change. So wait for that ring. It's here somewhere. I am still working this area, and I just found this. I'm not even sure what it is. Could have been an earring. Not sure. I'll get a better look at it later. All right, now I'm out here working the cut. I got a ton of change under the pier. It's all in pretty bad shape though, but that's crazy. I think everything washed over there and piled up. Oh, I got it out. Probably a dime. Yep. I got myself a nice pair of glasses. I already found the other piece to this. Yeah. Nice. right, I just had an 8, dug it up. It looks like an earring, maybe bracelet. I'm not sure. That thing. Hard to say. I say earring, maybe. That seems awful long to go through the ear. Interesting. So I just found another coin that looks bigger than a quarter. Could be a quarter, I'm not sure. Just no. It's either $1 again or a token. I don't know. I'll have to try to clean that up. All right, I just pulled up a jumpy signal. Wouldn't really give me good numbers. Got a foreign coin here. 2010. I'll have to look it up. It's kind of cool. Is that my first foreign coin? Unless there's one hidden in all those coins I was finding earlier, they're too crusty to read. This would be my first foreign coin. Pretty cool. All right, I'm getting a mostly 20s. All right, let's see if I can find that. Hopefully it's not just a dime, but that's my guess. See if I got it or not. I think I did. All right, let's see what I got. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Another dime. Well, I got my first key for the new year. Right out of that hole right there. Got a lot of firsts today. Brinks, huh? Well, I think I actually might be setting a record as far as change. Unfortunately, most of the change is pretty tore up because I think the cut from the storm was so bad it washed all this stuff away and ran all the old change out here into the surf, and I've been digging up so much of it. I'll show in the wrap up, but I'm going to try to clean up and see how much of it's salvageable and how much of it's just junk. That's too bad. No ring yet, I'm trying. All right, I just dug this hole, had a quarter signal, and flung it out here all the way around here, and guess what? I got another $1. Nice. Yeah, I just flung it and it went all the way over to the end. Cool. That's something right here. What is... Oh, wow. Oh. That's a cool find. Looks like a keychain knife. Wow. Doesn't look like it's too bad a shape. I will clean that, make sure it's functioning. Little sand in it, but I don't think it's a very old drop. Cool. I got a ring. I'm about done. Jeez, it's almost 2 o'clock. I started out this morning. I left the house at 5. I'm beat. I don't know where you've been all day, because I come back, get to her place, I'm filthy.
He still has, look at his feet, dude. You have sand all over your feet.
I just got back.
I was literally at work all day.
Yeah, me too.
No.
Yes.
It's not the same.
Anyway, what a day. I didn't do super great. The almighty ring eluded me again, so
Haha.
whatever. Anyway, I'll tell you, the 3 days of rain, especially the last day, which was a major storm, it made a real bad cut, and all that change went out into the surf. I spent all day in the surf. Oh my gosh. Couldn't find anything better though. But anyway, start over here. I do have a bucket full of bottles.
Yeah, you know what? Where'd you get that bucket from?
Your kitchen? I needed it.
Yeah, I look and my mop is just hanging out
By itself.
by itself.
Okay.
I'm like,
All right.
where's my bucket?
Focus.
You bucket thief.
Focus. All right. Pull tabs.
Why are they in a bucket?
Because I was rinsing everything out. It was sandy.
Oh my gosh, now I'm gonna have sand in my mop bucket? Oh my gosh,
Yes.
go ahead.
Pull tabs.
Uh-huh.
A button.
Ooh, what's it up?
Home Sweet Home? I don't know.
Oh, it's Oscar the Grouch.
Okay.
Because it's a trash can.
I'm going to try to fix these maybe.
Bottle cap glasses.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
This was a light bulb, but I broke it in transit.
Oh my gosh.
I guess that's a lens kind of like those. So I think it was in the same area. So it's a flip over.
Oh yeah,
lens.
it's the sunglasses.
Yeah.
Okay.
A clamp.
Ooh.
This was a honker here. Jeez.
Wow.
Some junkies here.
Uh-huh.
8.
Wait, hold on, because you're having me step out. All right.
8. 10 stakes are great.
8.
Yes. And again, most of the stuff is surface finds. I mean, not surface finds, but surface digs. Surface digs. Let me
Surf?
Surf digs. Anyway, stuff like that. A couple vapes, lighter.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
G.I. Joe.
Ooh. That's an army man, but
Got a boat?
okay. Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, I love that.
Got a gun. Finally got a gun on the beach.
Pew pew.
There's one of those magnetic builder block
Yeah,
things. An egg for you.
Looks like silly putty.
Probably was.
Yeah.
A washer, electronic piece. This is really cool. Utah.
Oh, I like that.
Cleaned up pretty nice. I'll get the rest of the sand out of
Very
it.
cool. Okay, next. Let's go.
Yeah. So,
Cute.
anyway, got a key.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the change. This is crazy. My back is killing me. I dug and dug and dug and dug. And again, this is all surf finds.
So you can say you dig it? Huh?
Yeah, I think maybe 10% of it was not in the surf. The better coins. However, I did get, apparently,
I'm just showing all the changes.
check this out, $4.
No way. Oh, wow.
This is in pretty bad shape.
Woo.
Crazy.
Talk about a bad day.
Then over here,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what this is. These both, that actually, if you look at this,
That's an earring.
yeah, see?
Yeah, I know. That's an earring.
And this, I'm going to tumble all this stuff still, but
That looks like an earring, too.
yeah. I got an R.
That's a key.
Yes, I got an R.
Arr. It's a
I
pirate.
have to tumble this just so we get the back off.
Mhm,
Not really sure what it is.
Okay.
And I thought this might have been a bear's foot. It's furry on that side, but look at this side. I'm not sure.
That's weird.
But I got something cool.
That's cool.
2 flattened pennies.
Ooh, I love that.
Can you take?
Let me see.
I can't make that out.
Let me see. Okay, go ahead.
I thought maybe it was Santa Monica since that's where
Pacific Park.
I was. Okay, cool. Anyway, do you know the change is about $20?
Wow, are you serious?
Yep.
Dang, that's a lot of laundry money. Look at that. Hmm. Actually, that's cupcake money.
I'll tumble it all though.
It'll all come tumbling down.
Anyway, this was a long day. I left at 5, got to the first beach at 6. The waves were crashing over the beach, so I couldn't even detect it more than just a little bit.
Wow.
So I left and I went to another beach.
Did you go swimming?
Yeah, up to my knees.
Oh.
And then I went to another beach and it was just as bad. So I just went to Santa Monica.
What a... Oh, you know what that is? That is from Santa Monica.
Oh, and then the last thing, totally forgot.
That's 5.
You know what kind of money that is? Ukraine.
Really?
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Wow. That is pretty cute.
All right, here. Whew.
What a dramatic sigh.
I am beat. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We will catch you on the next one.
Just, you know, I'm beat too. I'm tired.
Because you worked.
Because I actually worked today.
Our next hunt, you'll be with me. We already have a plan.
Do we?
I told you the plan this morning.
Okay.
We're going to go metal detecting.
We are?
Yes.
I've never done that before.
I'm going to show you how, yeah.
Okay, cool, yeah. Bossy.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the
Always
next
telling
one.
me what to do.
Stop. Goodbye.
Bye.